How to log in to Home Depot credit card. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. Search for Home Depot credit card login. In here, you'll be redirected to a new page where you will see some of the suggestions for Home Depot login. You have to scroll down and select where it says credit card services and tap on it. You'll be redirected to the credit card services of Home Depot. You can scroll down and get access to various of card details regarding each of the card that Home Depot has to provide. To log into your Home Depot card, select the Me icon at the top. Now to sign in or create an account, select Sign in or Register. Tap on Sign in if you already have an account. Now to log into your account, you will need to enter your email address that is linked to your Home Depot and tap on Continue. Select the option of Create an account at the bottom if you are new to it. You'll be redirected to a new page. Select your personal account. Then enter your email address, your password, and your phone number. You can select Verify my phone number via text message to send you a verification code or a verification call. Then select the option of Create an account. And that is how you'll be able to create a brand new account for your Home Depot. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.